Hello, guys. Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to enhance your team collaboration or connect with clients remotely, Zoom is the perfect tool for video conferencing. Today, we'll cover how to implement Zoom for seamless video meetings, from setting up meetings to managing features. Let's dive in. 1. Setting up a Zoom account. To get started, you'll need a Zoom account. Go to zoom.us and sign up for a free or paid account. Download the Zoom app on your computer or mobile device. Log into your account and familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Hash 2. Scheduling a meeting. Once you're all set up, schedule your first meeting. In the Zoom app, click Schedule a new meeting. Set your meeting details, time, date, and recurrence if applicable. Add a meeting title and description, and choose whether it's a one-time meeting or recurring. 3. Inviting participants. After scheduling, invite participants to join. Once your meeting is created, Zoom will generate a unique meeting link. Copy the link and share it via email or messaging platforms. You can also send calendar invites that automatically include the meeting link. 4. Using Zoom's meeting features. During the meeting, Zoom offers several powerful features. Screen sharing. Share your screen or specific applications with participants. Split participants into smaller groups for discussions or activities. Recordings. Record your meeting for later review or sharing with those who couldn't attend. Chat. Use the chat feature to send messages to participants during the meeting. 5. Managing participants. As the host, you can manage participants to ensure a smooth meeting. Mute/unmute participants to control background noise. Lock the meeting to prevent others from joining after it has started. Use waiting rooms to screen attendees before they enter the meeting. Zoom makes virtual collaboration and meetings effortless. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next one.